Do you believe that with just a few simple ingredients from your kitchen, you can create a powerful secret to care for your Anthurium plants? This method keeps your plants lush green, glossy, and blooming consistently all year long without using any chemical fertilizers. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to make an affordable, safe, and surprisingly effective natural fertilizer. This approach is simple, easy to follow, and perfect, even for beginners growing Anthuriums at home. If you love Anthuriums and are looking for a sustainable, eco-friendly care solution, this video is made just for you. Let's get started and discover the amazing benefits of natural fertilizer for your Anthurium plants. Now, I'm using the peel from one ripe banana. I separate the peel and chop it into small pieces. Cutting the banana peel into small pieces helps release its natural nutrients faster when soaked in water. Banana peels are especially rich in potassium and minerals, which support flowering and enhance the vibrant color of Anthurium blooms. Which country are you watching this video from? Leave a comment below and let me know. It's amazing that we can connect with each other from all around the world. After placing the chopped banana peels into the jar, I continue by adding 3 teaspoons of coffee. Coffee provides natural nitrogen, helping Anthurium leaves become greener, glossier, and supporting strong root growth. When banana peels and coffee are combined, they create a balanced nutrient source that promotes steady growth and better blooming. Next, I pour in 1 liter of boiling water and gently stir to dissolve the coffee and extract natural nutrients from both the banana peels and the coffee. This solution provides balanced nutrients that support strong root development, deeper green leaves, and longer-lasting blooms. After stirring, I let the mixture rest for about 30 minutes until it cools completely, making the solution gentler and safer for Anthurium plants. The next ingredient I use is rice, a very familiar food that is rich in nutrients beneficial for plants. I add 3 tablespoons of rice into a clean jar, then pour in 1 liter of boiling water and gently stir so the rice is evenly exposed to the water. Using boiling water helps extract starch, vitamin B, iron, and minerals from the rice bran, while also making the solution cleaner and safer for plant use. Finally, I let the mixture soak for about 30 minutes so the nutrients have enough time to fully dissolve into the water. During this time, the water gradually cools down, making the solution gentler and safer for the plant, helping prevent root shock. While waiting for the nutrient solution to cool for about 30 minutes, I check the overall condition of the Anthurium plant. Upon closer inspection, I notice some dry, discolored leaves and a few wilted small stems. These parts can no longer absorb nutrients and may slow down the plant's growth. If left untreated, they can create favorable conditions for mold and pests, especially in humid environments. That's why early inspection and treatment help keep the plant healthy and ready to absorb nutrients when the solution is applied. After soaking the rice for about 30 minutes, I gently stir the mixture to help the nutrients dissolve evenly into the water. This filtering step helps remove residue, preventing root blockage and reducing the risk of mold in the growing medium. It also makes the solution cleaner, easier to use, and safer for the plant. Next, I add about 1,000 milliliters of room temperature water to dilute the rice water. Diluting the solution makes it gentler and prevents plant shock when watering the roots or spraying the leaves, especially for ornamental plants like Anthurium. With this diluted mixture, we now have a completely natural, easy to absorb, and plant-safe nutrient solution. First, I use a clean cotton pad soaked evenly in the diluted rice water solution. Then, I gently wipe the entire surface of the Anthurium leaves from top to bottom, making sure to clean both sides. This is not just basic cleaning, it's like skincare for the plant's leaves. Wiping the leaves helps remove dust, bacteria, and small insects, especially in areas that are hard to clean with regular watering. Rice water contains B vitamins, natural starch, and minerals that help keep the leaf surface clear and breathable. When the leaves are clean and open, the plant can breathe better, improving photosynthesis and supporting healthy growth. Some nutrients in rice water can gently penetrate the leaf surface, making the leaves deeper green, glossier, and strengthening the plant's natural resistance. While wiping, I pay special attention to the underside of the leaves, where mold and small pests tend to accumulate. Regular leaf cleaning not only keeps the plant healthy but also reduces the risk of future diseases. When the foliage becomes clean, bright, and even in color, the Anthurium not only grows better but also greatly enhances the beauty of your living space. After finishing the leaf cleaning, I pour the remaining diluted rice water solution into a spray bottle. Next, I spray the solution evenly over the entire Anthurium plant, including the leaves, stems, and the exposed root area. Even spraying allows the plant to absorb nutrients more completely, not only through the roots, but also directly through the leaves. Rice water is rich in B vitamins, minerals, and natural starch, which nourish the leaves, stimulate new shoots, and support healthy growth. Natural compounds in rice water also help clean the leaf surface and reduce the growth of mild bacteria and fungi. As a result, the plant has a lower risk of leaf spots, leaf rot, and minor pests, especially in humid environments. When the solution is evenly distributed, nutrients reach young shoots and growing tips, helping new leaves develop strong and evenly. With this care method, the Anthurium is nourished not only from the roots but also cared for and beautified from the outside, maintaining a fresh and vibrant appearance. After about 30 minutes of soaking, the banana peels release natural minerals, especially potassium and beneficial trace elements for plant growth. At this point, I use a strainer to remove all the banana peel and coffee residue, keeping only the clear, nutrient-rich liquid. I combine the banana peel extract with the rice water solution prepared earlier. The combination of banana peels and rice water creates a completely natural biological fertilizer. Chemical-free, non-toxic, yet rich in nutrients and gentle on plants. This mixture helps stimulate root growth, supports healthy green leaves, and allows the plant to absorb nutrients gently and safely. After thoroughly mixing the banana peel, coffee, and rice water solution, I apply it directly to the entire growing medium of the Anthurium plant. This application supplies essential nutrients to the roots. Rice water provides starch and B vitamins, while coffee and banana peels supply potassium and nitrogen. These nutrients stimulate strong root growth and improve the plant's ability to absorb water and nutrients efficiently. With regular use, the solution also loosens the growing medium, increases organic matter, and balances beneficial microorganisms, helping prevent root-related diseases. With a healthy root system, the Anthurium grows more vigorously, produces deeper green new leaves, and blooms more frequently. Next, I soak the Anthurium plant in the same banana peel, coffee, and rice water solution for about 10 minutes to allow the roots to absorb nutrients fully. After soaking the Anthurium plant in the nutrient solution for about 10 minutes, I gently lift it out and let the excess water drain off. Next, I place the plant in an area with diffused light and gentle airflow to let it settle before moving on to the final step. In the final step, I use a soft, clean, absorbent cloth to gently wipe away any remaining water from the surface of the Anthurium leaves. Drying the leaves helps prevent water from collecting in leaf joints, reducing the risk of mold, mealybugs, and leaf rot, especially in humid environments. When the leaves are dry, the plant can photosynthesize and breathe better, preventing water stains and white spots caused by prolonged moisture. After finishing, I keep the plant in soft, natural light so it can recover and grow steadily. With simple ingredients like banana peels, coffee, and rice, we can create a completely natural plant care method right at home. Without chemical fertilizers or complicated techniques. Just a little time and care will reward you with healthy green leaves, vibrant flowers, and lasting vitality. Anthuriums are not only beautiful plants, but also symbols of resilience and good luck in your living space. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel and see more natural, plant-friendly care methods. See you in the next videos.